Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends in Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Minecraft game and make sure it is updated. Now, tap on the play button and this page will appear on your screen. Simply, tap on the Friends tab from the top and all of your added friends will be displayed. Now, in order to add new friends, tap on the Add Friend button and you will be prompted to enter their gamer tag. To know the gamer tag, you just need to get back to the home page of your game, and the name being displayed on top of your character will be your gamer tag. If you can't find it, access the Settings tab, scroll down a little bit, and then tap on the Account feature. Inside it, your gamer tag will be displayed at the top. Now, get back to the Add Friend tab and enter the gamer tag of your friend. Once you type it in, some accounts will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on the correct one, and then tap on the Add icon. If you can't see it, tap on the target account, and then tap on the Add Friend button. So, that's basically how you can add friends in Minecraft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.